Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. I got a package in the mail today. This is going to be cool. This is a really neat RainPoint smart irrigation system. It's a 2-zone Wi-Fi irrigation water timer. I talked to the company. They asked me about my greenhouse first. And what's cool about this is it connects to a garden hose or a faucet. And it's got some really amazing features. And it has 2 separately controllable outputs. One for the greenhouse on the ground, and one for the shelves. Really amazing. So let's check this out. A lot of papers and cards and stuff. So, let me see, there's FCC statements, there's how-tos and quick answers. I was going to read the German, but most of you guys won't understand that. Warranty card. There's your quick start guide. And a little dear customer on an instruction manual. That's what I'm going to have to check out, the instruction manual. We have here what appears to be, is this, yep, a Wi-Fi gateway. Oh, interesting. A Wi-Fi gateway for your device. And here's the device itself. Those are batteries. I'm going to check it out off camera, so I have my hands free. It's awkward trying not to hide your camera. Interesting. So there's a filter screen there, and we've got our 2 outputs. Well, I'm going to have to read the instructions here, and I'll get back to you in a couple minutes. So this is really cool. So this here also, it's a Wi-Fi hub and a Wi-Fi power socket, a power outlet, which is really neat. One Wi-Fi hub compare with a maximum of 4 of the timers, and one timer compare with 2 soil sensors, which are not included. What's cool about this, which I don't need, so I didn't get them, but what's cool about this is you can hook this up to 2 different soil sensors, and it'll check the soil temperature and moisture levels, which will also affect your watering times. So if it's raining out, there's no point in watering your garden. Really cool that that's built into that. But I'm going to be using mine internally in a greenhouse because it's so hard to manage your greenhouse as needed. And depending on the if you're around or not, if we ever go on vacation, then we have to prepare for a greenhouse or it'll die. If you go anyway for a day or miss a day, you could lose your greenhouse. This is going to be really good to help us this year to get a jump on our vegetables. This has 2 zones, and each zone can set up to 3 separate watering programs a day. Really cool. You can have you can manually turn on or off your watering, or you can set your watering times. These can both be set independently of one another, which is awesome. Really cool, because we do have in-ground plants and potted plants. That is really cool. Something else I like, I've always wondered how much water we use in our gardening. This has a water flow meter, so it has a built-in water flow meter to track water usage in the last 10 days. I like that. Now we'll have an idea how much water we really do use in the greenhouse. Also, you can co-manage with your family. So there's apps you can use, and that way anybody can get involved with the garden. Well, you just had a pretty heavy snowstorm. That's halfway up to the roof of the greenhouse. It all slid off the roof already, but that's a lot of snow came down. So I'm excited about getting seeds going and getting this set up, but for now this is going to have to wait until all that has gone away a little bit, because we're going to have some freezing coming up here, and then a little bit more snow, and then we're going to warm up. So I'm going to finish this off in a week or so after we get warm enough weather that I can hook this up. Now granted, we're in the greenhouse here. I do have a heater pipe going through here, and that does, although it's insulated, it does provide a lot of heat in here, but we're going to get some teens at night yet. So this will be continued. For now, I want to share with you my unboxing and first impressions of this, and we'll continue on later with installation and field testing and final review in another video coming, hopefully very soon. So please do like this video, subscribe if you haven't, check out the links, I'll put them down below. You can go ahead and get yourself one now. It's quite affordable and has some really cool and unique features that I cannot wait to try out. Talk to you later.